We are comfortable. We can make, inshallah. We are comfortable now, and we are out of 3,500 for 3,000. Established ILS 25 left. Sir, we are established on ILS 25 left.
So you are 5 miles from Currytown, engine passing 3,500. A303 clear line 25 left.
Roger, Pakistan 830. 303 going round. For Pakistan 8303, we would like to come again for ILS 25 left.
Roger, 10 left heading 110, climb 3000.
Left heading confirm.
From left heading 110, climb 3000.
110, climb 3000, Pakistan 8303.
8303, you are jumping altitude 2000.
Sir, we have just give me 2000.
So maintain 2000. 8303, most charging showing 1800 feet at descent.
Copied, sir. We are now maintaining, trying to maintain, sir.
8303 approach.
Ji, sir.
Appears to be turning left.
While proceeding that, sir, we have lost engines.
Confirm you are carrying out belly landing. Runway available to land at 25.
Roger. Clear, Mayday, Pakistan 8303.
Pakistan 8303, Roger sir, both runways available to land.